And Storm Center meteorologist Nick Dunn joins us. As I said at the top of the hour, we just found out about some tornado watches. You say it's very conceivable that that could expand into other parts of our viewing area.
Yeah, and we mentioned that, and just within the last about 60 seconds, we had a severe thunderstorm watch issued. It only includes Randolph County, so this is a look at the latest watches that we have. Understand that, again, if you're not under a watch yet, I do expect that to change the later into the evening we get. So kind of breaking down a couple different things for you. The tornado watch, this is where the best chance of tornadoes are likely to be. We discussed this yesterday during our 90 minutes of news that we thought our northern counties would stand the best chance of tornadoes, and now we're seeing a severe thunderstorm watch just for Randolph County for the time being. Again, I expect the rest of the Miami Valley to fill in with watches as we go later into the evening, and that just is that sign that, again, we're getting to that time of the night where we're going to see the environmental conditions becoming favorable for the development of severe weather. Right now outside, it's actually a really nice evening. You would not necessarily think there are thunderstorms on the horizon. We've got a lot of sunshine out there in Beaver Creek, some high thin clouds also moving through. Temperatures also pretty warm out there. I'll give you a look at live Doppler 7 radar here. You notice we're seeing the upper 70s and lower 80s. We're dry for right now. 80 degrees in Troy and Dayton, 79 there in Richmond, and 79 degrees in Xenia. You were the warmest spot last hour at 81 degrees. I want to broaden out the view for you. We have showers and thunderstorms to our northeast. You can see lots of thunderstorms around the Cleveland area. And then again, that's that new severe thunderstorm watch that just came out. You can see some thunderstorms starting to develop there just to the south of Chicago. Again, that will continue to fill in as the cold front migrates southward and the storms get a little bit closer to us here as we get later on into the evening. So the Storm Prediction Center maintains a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk of severe weather for about the northern half of the Miami Valley. The best chance of severe weather right now looks to be between about 8 p.m. and 2 a.m. I do expect thunderstorms to continue after that window. The main concerns, large hail and damaging winds when it comes to severe weather. The tornado threat is low and isolated, and again, mainly confined to our northern counties from about Salina over to Bellefontaine. That's just where the ingredients are just a little bit better. Everything coming together a little more so for a tornado threat there compared to the rest of the Miami Valley. But even south of Dayton, you're not being left out. A level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk is in place for you. So let's walk through Futurecast hour by hour. We have thunderstorms marching in as we get towards 8 to 8:15 this evening. Again, our northern counties carrying that best tornado threat. We have a little bit more instability, and we also don't have a cap in the atmosphere, or a lid, if you will, interacting with any thunderstorms across our northern counties. That wave will dive southeast and weaken, and look what happens to our temperatures. We get towards 10 o'clock tonight, we're down into the 50s, but if you recall back to this past Sunday, we had severe thunderstorm warnings with temperatures in the 40s and 50s and large hail falling. Additional clusters of showers and thunderstorms will likely straddle the I-70 corridor for several hours overnight, giving us that hail and isolated damaging wind threat there. And the other concern, we have lots of rain falling over a very short amount of time, and some of those storms training over the same locations. That's why we're concerned about that flood threat tonight. Rain does eventually start to sag south as we get towards early Friday morning. By 6 a.m., the vast majority of the Miami Valley is dry, but check out our temperatures, much cooler, upper 30s and lower 40s. Into the afternoon, we do a little bit of rebounding there back into the middle 40s. I want to give you a look at the potential rainfall forecast. Again, this will all depend on where those showers and storms are most persistent. Widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain likely, and there will be a zone somewhere, not necessarily in this area, but somewhere we could easily exceed more than 3 inches of rain. That's why we are concerned about that flood threat overnight going into early on your Friday morning. Here's my Storm Center 7-day forecast. Morning showers tomorrow. That temperature in the 40s likely occurs earlier in the day. We get a dry weekend. We're back up to near 60 degrees by Sunday. We're back into the 70s next week. With that, we return back to an active pattern with more showers and thunderstorms in the forecast.